And chill, you're about to get tased, dude.
I'm not doing
Chill
nothing.
out. You got it.
So why are you charging me?
So you're under
Why are you charging me?
PI and resisting.
Huh?
PI. You're too drunk.
Public intox.
Okay.
I'm trying to get to that real, dude.
You talked yourself into jail. Sorry. You had your chance to go with your buddy, but
Give my money. Give my money.
Where's your ID at?
Give my money, dude. Stop stepping on me.
stop moving around. Chill out.
On the 10th of March 2022, DFW Airport Police responded to a call for service and arrested a man for public intoxication and resisting arrest. The subject was booked and held overnight. The resisting charge elevated what would have been a minor citation into a Class A misdemeanor. Court disposition unknown at time of analysis. The first issue is probable cause for public intoxication. Texas Penal Code Section 49.02 requires only that a person appear in a public place while intoxicated to the degree that they may endanger themselves or another. The standard is observable, no field sobriety test, no breathalyzer, no prior criminal conduct required. The subject's incoherent responses, circular questioning, and inability to follow basic conversational exchange constitute the entirety of what the statute demands. Dallas-Fort Worth International Airport satisfies the public place requirement under Texas Penal Code Section 1.07, which defines a public place as any transport facility to which the public has access. The location element is unambiguous. Under Illinois v. Gates, 1983, probable cause is assessed under the totality of circumstances, and the totality here is straightforward. The second issue is stop and identify. The subject repeatedly refused to provide his name, asking instead, "How do you know it's me?" Texas is a stop and identify state under Texas Code of Criminal Procedure Article 38.02. A lawfully detained person must provide their name, date of birth, and residence address upon request. The Supreme Court addressed this directly in Hiibel v. 6th Judicial District Court of Nevada, 2004, holding that a stop and identify requirement does not implicate the Fifth Amendment. The refusal was legally non-compliant and added friction that was entirely unnecessary. The third issue is resisting arrest under Texas Penal Code Section 38.03, intentionally preventing or obstructing a peace officer from effecting an arrest by using force. This is a Class A misdemeanor, carrying up to 1 year in county jail. The underlying public intoxication charge is a Class C misdemeanor with a maximum penalty of a $500 fine and no jail time. The subject's physical noncompliance converted a citable offense into one that carries jail exposure 12 times more severe than the original charge.
Are you doing okay?
Yeah?
Are you guys
Trying to get him to the
together?
hotel.
Are you guys together?
No, but I was gonna get him there and then
Okay.
He's trying to take care of me, man.
Gotcha. Let's come over here. Let's talk real quick, okay?
Where do you want to
Just come over here around the corner. Well, let's go to the side then, okay?
No.
Go to the side,
Why?
okay? Because we're investigating you. So go to the side. We can talk.
In front of people.
That's why I tried to take you around the corner. If you want to go around the
You
corner,
want to take me around the corner because you don't want people to see you.
no, it'd be alright.
we're just talking to you, okay? Do you have your driver's license on you, sir?
I don't have a driver's license.
I got you. We'll give him your name and stuff, okay?
Who?
This officer right here. He's gonna help you out.
How is he helping me out?
He's gonna get your name and information and everything like that. Okay?
How?
Listen to him, okay? He's trying to help you out.
No, you're the one that's talking to me. So he's talking to me like a.
We're trying to help you out. Stop. Stop. You need to chill
What's up
out,
with
dude.
this fool?
No, it's gonna be alright.
What's up with this fool? I'm.
He's just trying to talk to you, okay?
How?
You gotta be calm so you can get there.
We're just trying to talk. We're trying to get your...
I'm trying to get you real, dude.
Okay.
And this
Calm
fuck
down.
with me.
Calm down,
What's up
alright?
with that?
Hey, you'll get there. It's just be tomorrow.
Can you give me a hand?
Are you okay?
Listen.
You gonna give me a
What's,
hand?
do you know his name?
This one.
Guadalupe.
No, you want to give me a
What is
hand?
it? Just chill out, okay?
Fuck you, man.
Chill out for 1 second. What's your
Fuck you.
What's your first name? What's your first name?
What's my first name?
What's your first
Dude,
name?
how do you have my? How do you know it's me?
That's what
Yeah.
we're trying to
How do
ask.
you know it's me? That I'm.
We're trying to ask you your first
No. You're not trying to ask me my first name. How do you know that it's me that I'm?
You're not making any sense, okay?
No, you're not making
So
any
what have
sense.
you had to drink today?
How do you know that it's me?
Okay.
How?
I'm trying to ask you some
No,
questions.
yeah,
okay?
no. You want to know my information.
I
But
did
how do
wanna
you
know.
know it's me?
Go ahead and turn around for me, okay? Okay, so right now you're being placed under arrest, so stop, turn around. It's not gonna go well, man. You're about to get tased. So turn around, put your hands behind your back.
Good work.
Turn around, put your hands behind your back.
Hit me.
Turn around, put your hands behind your back.
I'm not doing nothing wrong. I'm not doing nothing wrong. No. I'm not doing nothing wrong.
Okay, then chill. You're about to get tased, dude.
I'm not doing
Chill
nothing
out.
wrong.
You got him.
So why are you charging
Okay,
me?
so you're under
Why
arrest
are you charging
for
me?
PI and resisting.
Huh?
PI. You're too drunk.
Public intox.
Okay?
I'm trying to get you that real,
You
dude.
talked yourself into jail. Sorry. You had your chance to go with your buddy, but
Give my money. Give my money.
What are you doing with you, bro? Where's your ID at?
Give my money, dude. Stop stepping on me.
Stop moving around.
chill out.
Give my money.
Your money's going with you.
Give my money.
Guadalupe. What's your name?
Yes, sir.
Here, this didn't need big deal at all. You could have gone with your buddy.
No, but
Easy enough.
that's he's not my buddy.
Appreciate it. Thank you. You're good. Thanks for helping. Or trying to. Alright. Now you're going to jail, so
Yeah, I can be.
you are me. There's no can be.
I just farted like.
That's great.
Yeah. There's 500 in there. There's supposed to be 500 in there.
Okay, I really don't care.
Yeah, I know you don't care.
He probably left his ID at the bar.
Probably. Alright, if you want to grab, we'll walk around here. Come on, walk with us. So here's the deal. If you're not going to walk with us, I'm going to hit you
No,
with every charge I can, okay? So you want to be an adult and cooperate?
It hurts. My wrist.
Well, you should have resisted then.
I didn't resist shit. Take me. I didn't do nothing wrong, man. I was gonna do something wrong to my brother because he was stolen. He stole from the landlord, and yeah, you know what? I my hand. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank
How
you
old are you?
for I'm 30 some shit.
What year were you born?
35. I'm going to Del Rio. And you can put me in jail, you can whatever. My boss and everybody they'll put in
Union nor Adam.
they'll put in word for me, you know, because I'm not a bad person, you know.
David.
Like
Union.
I fucked up. But that's not what I'm here for. I'm not here in DC or Maryland
You're in Dallas, actually. but-
in Dallas.
Yeah.
I'm not here for you guys to fuck me up. You know what I mean?
Yeah, we don't want that.
I'm not here for that. I'm here
Why are you going up?
I'm here to go to Del Rio, and hopefully you guys will back me up.
Let's walk out here, Guadalupe. Come here. Yeah, we're coming. We're coming.
Can you help me?
Well, just give us a few minutes, okay? We got book you in.
Yeah, I don't want my landlord to press charges on my brother or anything.
You want?
I'm only
So if you want
going.
to search them, I'll hold them and then we'll flip.
I'm only going to Del Rio because I don't want my brother to be in trouble.
Yeah. Chill out, dude. Chill.
What do you mean, chill?
relax.
You've been filling up all over me. And I've been telling you, I'm good.
Okay, people tell us that all the time. We gotta double
Yeah,
check.
yeah, but still.
Let's have a seat, Guadalupe.
Look up my name, and you'll
We'll
understand.
look your name up, yeah. Just give us a minute. We'll look
You
it up.
understand who the fuck I am.
Okay? Let's have a seat, Guadalupe.
What'd you say? Sit right up there, right?
There you go. I'll fling you around too.
The fourth issue is the officer's statement. If you're not going to walk with us, I'm going to hit you with every charge I can. This is the most legally significant officer conduct moment in the footage. There is a fundamental distinction between informing a subject that additional observed conduct may result in additional charges and threatening to pile on charges as leverage for compliance. The former is legitimate law enforcement. The latter can constitute unlawful coercive conduct and provides defense counsel with a basis to argue retaliatory arrest intent. The statement was made on a running body cam. Every word is potentially subject to discovery, suppression hearings, and appellate review. The fifth issue is the Taser threat. Under Graham v. Connor, 1989, force, including threatened force is evaluated on three factors: the severity of the crime, whether the subject posed an immediate threat, and whether the subject was actively resisting. A Taser threat against a non-violent, verbally agitated subject on a Class C misdemeanor sits at the outer edge of what Graham supports. Active physical resistance moves the analysis toward permissible, but the severity factor, a fine-only offense, pulls in the opposite direction. Courts reviewing this footage would scrutinize that moment carefully. The restraint chair warning during transport is legally distinct from the every charge statement. Under Rhode Island v. Innis, 1980, Miranda applies to express questioning and its functional equivalent, not to an officer describing institutional consequences of continued non-compliance. Informing a subject that jail staff will use a restraint chair if he continues to be disruptive is factual context, not interrogation. The distinction between these two statements, one coercive, one informational, is important and should not be conflated.
Yeah, of course you can.
You're probably going to bail me out, but I need to tell her.
Yeah, we'll let you call her. Yeah, once we get there, we'll let you call.
Get where?
To
You're
the-
not telling me nothing.
To the jail.
Oh, so you putting me in jail for nothing?
Yeah, I guess so, yeah.
Where am I going to jail for?
So you're drunk in public.
She's saying she arrived here at 8:34.
What's that? You just throw in the car. Alright, so we'll take his tent. We gotta put a mask on. Alright, do you have COVID? Do you have COVID? No? Have you had contact with anybody that's had COVID? Anything like
What are you
that?
talking about? We ain't know.
We just gotta ask this question, man. The state
I don't
requires
care.
it.
It's no.
Alright. So, you know, have you been traveled international in the past?
I'm losing money.
Okay.
I'm losing right now. I'm losing money.
Listen for one
No,
second.
no, fuck you.
Listen, if you're
I
gonna,
didn't do shit.
listen,
I didn't do
if you're
shit.
gonna act like this, they're gonna put you in a restraint chair for several hours.
Okay, that's fine.
You're not gonna be able to make any phone calls. You want that?
What do you
would you rather
mean
call
I'm
your
not gonna
boss?
make no phone calls?
If they put you in a restraint chair, you ain't gonna make any phone calls.
No,
I'm trying to help
no,
you out.
no,
Okay.
you're not trying to help me
So then
out.
be chill and
You
just
could
relax.
have just let me go.
Okay. I'm
I
telling
ain't
you how
done
it is.
shit to you,
so
man.
I'm giving you a fair warning.
I ain't done shit
Okay.
to you
If-
or your
Alright,
partner.
Then just
I ain't
continue,
done nothing to
continue,
you
just
guys.
Relax.
Why?
Because if you don't relax, I'm telling you what the jail's gonna do. So if you want to sit in a restraint chair all night, that's fine with you, man. I've given you many options.
Yeah. You go.
Okay.
What kind of options
Okay,
have
go
you
on.
gave me? What kind of options have you
I
given me?
told you, if you don't just calm down.
No,
and
you
you're sitting here
didn't give me
screaming and
many
yelling.
options.
Okay,
You didn't.
either you go and calm.
You only gave me one option.
Okay, listen to me.
Don't talk to me like I'm stupid.
You're not listening to what I'm saying. You're either gonna go and calm, or you're gonna hit your head on everything like you've been doing, and they're gonna put you in a restraint chair. I'm giving you a heads up.
I did not
Fair
hit
warning.
my head.
We heard it 3 times out here. Okay, so you're gonna try to go and calm.
No, it was my foot.
Okay, you hit your foot then. Okay, are you gonna try to go and calm so we can get you booked in? Are you cool with that?
Booked in for what?
I've already explained several times. You're
No,
drunk. in public.
no, dude.
Okay.
You've been.
That's fine. We'll put you in a restraint
Is your
chair.
camera on?
Of course it's on. Yeah.
What's your name?
It's Officer Guess. Guess.
Yes.
Yep. Guess.
And what did I do wrong?
You're drunk in public.
Yeah.
Yeah. You think you're in D.C. You're in Dallas.
Yeah, I know.
That's a good.
I was
several
in
thousand.
Dallas. I was in I was in
I
the
think we
fucking
can
DC.
try to book him, man. It's up to y'all.
I was in DC because that's where I
Okay,
live.
Guadalupe, listen. This is the jail sergeant. Okay, we're trying to get you through the process. Listen to her instructions. Okay.
We'll take care of you.
You good?
Yeah.
You be good to me
Of course.
because I didn't do nothing wrong. Man.
Okay, we'll be good.
I did this motherfucker right here.
Okay.
I've done
Come
time
on.
for banging up motherfuckers.
We're gonna take care of you, okay?
Officer Guess receives a B+. Probable cause was correctly developed, both charges were accurately identified, and initial de-escalation technique was appropriate. The deduction is the "every charge I can" statement captured on BODYCAM, legally problematic and wholly unnecessary at a moment when the subject was already restrained. A BODYCAM is a legal document. Unguarded remarks on it follow a case through every subsequent proceeding. The secondary officer receives a B. His physical support was appropriate and proportionate. The taser threat on a Class C misdemeanor subject with active resistance is defensible under Graham but represents a judgment call at the edge of the standard. No excessive force was applied. The deduction reflects the proportionality question the taser threat raises, not a finding of wrongdoing. The subject receives a C+. His verbal protests were constitutionally protected speech under City of Houston v. Hill, 1987. He did not initiate violence. His personal context, distressed about a family matter, is noted. However, every legal consequence he faced was self-generated. Refusal to identify during a lawful detention, active physical resistance, and sustained non-compliance during booking. Cooperation from the first moment of contact would likely have resulted in a Class C citation and release, not a jail booking on a Class A charge. 3 takeaways. First, Texas public intoxication requires no prior harmful act and no test result. Observable behavioral indicators in a public place are sufficient. A commercial airport is one of the clearest possible applications of the statute. Arguing the officer had no basis for the stop is not a viable defense when the probable cause is captured on BODYCAM from first contact. Second, physical resistance to a lawful arrest transforms a fine-only Class C misdemeanor into a jailable Class A offense in a single act. The subject's refusal to comply with the arrest declaration did not challenge its legality, it created a separate, more serious criminal charge. The remedy for an unlawful arrest is through the courts, not through physical non-compliance at the scene. Third, everything said on a running BODYCAM is a permanent part of the legal record. The "every charge I can" statement will appear in the police report, discovery, any suppression hearing, and any appellate brief filed in this case. Officers who understand that cameras are always on make different choices in unguarded moments. That awareness is not optional, it is a core professional competency in modern law enforcement. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street BODYCAM, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.